Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna do a real hacking video actually. Hacking with flash memories. So I'm gonna create some files and put it on a flash to see the details of what I want and to get the data that I want. So let's start. Let's create a folder here. Name is not important. Just let me. Okay. And first file should be autoron.inf. So I create this file as a text. And I'm gonna open it with Notepad. Where's my Notepad? Here's my Notepad. So in this file should be autoron, and then icon should be drive .ico, and open should be launch .bat, and action should be click OK to run. So this is our first file. It's not finished, so we need shell and open. So command should be launch, this launch that we created here, .bat. So you see this files in some memory drives or flash drives. Its usual file is not something that people think that it's something special. But second file is, let me create it, file.bat. So when we open it with Notepad again, so I'm gonna echo off, then I'm gonna set variables /main. So in this section you can create your own comment. You can set your own comment to run and copy the file that you want, or copy and access the things that you want. It's gonna be run in CMD. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna set O drive to O drive zero to percentage, and I'm gonna set backup CMD is equal to X copy, because we're gonna copy the files, dash S dash C dash D. Oh, should be dash C dash D dash E dash H dash I dash R and dash Y, and gonna echo off. So now you should put your comments that you want. So I have my comments. I have some comments that I want. I want my pics folder, favorites, and vids. So I want this files to. I want to copy these files on the folder that I want, and the folder is all. When you put the flash on the driver or put the flash on the computer, the folder is going to be created as name as all, and all files that you want is going to be copied on that drive, USB drive or hard drive, and in all folder and in vids folder or favorites folder. So after that, I'm gonna tell her echo off CLS. So it's file.bat. So there's another file that we're gonna create. Invisible.vbs or Visual Basic. I'm gonna open it with Notepad and gonna create. Let me just zoom in. Create object. Just check my OBS just for a second. Okay. Create object. WS crypt WS crypt dot shell dot run and 1 2 3 4 and W script arguments 0 and 1 2 3 4 /0 / false. So this is our third step, and the final step is that launch.bat. So it's kind of virus here. I'm not gonna, I don't know the YouTube's gonna ban this video or not, but it's old method actually. So VBS script, sorry, let me just first zoom in. WS script dot exe invisible, just copy invisible from here. .vbs file.bat. So okay, we have the file. So I have the memory here. Which one was my memory? It was this one. So because the memory is on the system, I need to run the file actually. But if you put the flash memory on the system for the first time, you don't need to do anything. But for now, I'm just gonna do. So something is wrong here. Let me see the code. Launch.bat. Yeah, one more slash. Autorun.info. No, that's correct. Step 2. Maybe we have a problem here because I didn't make it on file.bat. Open with. Nope. Actually, yes. There is main actually here. I didn't put it up. It should be main. I didn't set the character. It should be main. So let's go ahead and step 3. Invisible dot. Yeah, there was a dot here instead of quotation. Okay. Let's see again. Error. File.bat. Okay, it's getting all the screenshot and files. And okay, I know what's the problem. So let me remove the all, because in file.bat I'm recording with OBS, and OBS is in one of the files. So I'm gonna remove this one. It's done. My pics and favorites all here. The problem was my OBS actually. And if you put this on the on the flash memory, you don't need to run this launch.bat. It's gonna run it by itself, and this is because of my OBS I was recording. I couldn't actually the system couldn't get the file. So I put the project link on my Google Drive and I link it. Use it for good reasons and test reasons. Sorry, I stopped recording. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks a lot.